Hello everyone. In this video we will work on this nice, simple but very nice problem. We have a long number with 1000 digits and we want to find the 15 adjacent digits that have the greatest product. And also print the value of this product. First thing that comes to mind is that we need, of course, to a loop here and loop on all the combinations of 15 adjustment digits. Let's go to action directly. First of all, we will create a Python file to add the code for this solution. Okay. We will define the long number in our file. Okay. There are different methods to work on this. First of all, we can work with plain Python commands. This is the first way, some loop and some calculations. The second method is to create a more generic function that will take both the long numbers and the number of the adjacent digits as parameters, so it can work with any uh, number or any count of adjacent digits. I recommend in this video, because it is one of the first videos, let's take the simple path and see how it will go. So let's start with a loop for I in range len long number minus 15. I will explain later why the minus. Prod equals 1 for k in range So what we are doing here, we start from the first location of the long number. This is because inside range it means 0 when we don't mention the first limit, the left limit, it means 0. So we start from this location and we take product equal with 1, and for the range of 15, we take all these 15 digits and we multiply this digit with the existing product. So we start, for example, from this 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, etc. And this gives the product for the group of 15 numbers that start from this position. After that, when the I becomes I plus 1, the first digit will be this one, and we take the next 15 digits. Here we need to, because this is a string, actually, we can define it as a string or an integer. It's the same. We can change it based on what it is. Because it is string, we will get the integer of the string. Okay, so also we with this variable will give us the position that the 15 adjustment digits start. We can also print all the 15 digits. Let's see first if we get the max prod, and we can do changes later. So let's run this code. We will run this all together. So we will, as usual, we will copy the location of our files, open a terminal, cd to this location, get into the Python terminal. Sorry, we don't need this. We will run now the file, this Python file, from outside the Python terminal. And this is the maximum product. Also, we need the location position. Okay, I added some details. Let's run the code again. Ever closed. Okay, so I added some more elements to be printed. What the code does, we loop as usually. We start from here and calculate the product for the next 15 digits. If this product is higher than the previously maximum product, then it replaces it. And if it is not, we continue with next first digit and the next 15 digits that start from here, and after that the third digit and the next 15 digits that start from here, and so on. Whenever the product of any 15 digits are greater than the previous maximum product, it just replaces it. And also, when the product is higher, the digits list, the 15 digits list, is replaced with these 15 new digits that produce the new maximum product. And also, we update the position of the that generates the new maximum product. So yes, this is the result, and we see that the position is 498. We could make this work as a function, and we can do this in this way. Number. Okay, max product. Define get max prod long number as first parameter and the count of the length of digits. And here we will replace 15 with the length of digits. And long number, we can leave it as it is. And down here we can declare the new long number. And call the function with new long number as first parameter, and we can add any number we want here. Let's do it with 15 firstly, and we can try later. We can try with other numbers. Okay, we see the same result as before. Let's try now with 20 digits. And we can see that for 20 digits, the first position is this one, and this is the length, this is the full list of the digits. That was all. Let me know of your thoughts in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.